So in this problem, we need to expand tangent of 4 theta to get the following expression. So let us begin. So we'll start with tangent of 4 theta and we'll be expressing it as tangent of 2 times 2 theta. Now, let 2 theta be equals to a. So this expression will now become tangent of 2a. Now this is formula for finding out tangent of 2a. So that's given by, so let's note it down. Tangent of 2a is given by 2 times tangent of a divided by 1 minus tangent squared a. Now that means our expression will now become 2 times tangent of a divided by 1 minus tangent squared a. Now if we replace the value of a with 2 theta, so we have 2 times tangent of 2 theta divided by 1 minus tangent squared 2 theta. So what we can do, we can again expand tangent of 2 theta. This is going to give us, so tangent of 4 theta will now be equals to 2 times tangent of 2 theta, but tangent of 2 theta can be expressed as 2 times tangent of theta divided by 1 minus tangent squared theta. Now we'll have to do that to the denominator as well. So we have 1 minus tangent squared 2 theta, but tangent 2 theta can be expressed as 2 times tangent theta divided by 1 minus tangent squared theta whole squared. Now what we'll do, we will multiply both numerator and the denominator with 1 minus tangent squared theta whole squared. We did to the denominator as well, 1 minus tangent squared theta whole squared. Now immediately we can factor out 1 minus tangent squared theta and 1 here, and this entire will get cancelled out with this one, such that we are now left with 4 times tangent theta multiplied to 1 minus tangent squared theta in the numerator, and in the denominator we have 1 minus tangent squared theta whole squared minus 4 times tangent squared theta. So when we simplify this, we're going to get 4 tangent of theta multiplied to 1 minus tangent squared theta, and in the denominator, after expanding 1 minus tangent squared theta whole squared and from it subtracting 4 tangent squared theta, we're going to get 1 minus 6 tangent squared theta plus tangent theta raised to the power of 4. So we've successfully expanded tangent of 4 theta.